So a few days ago, a film was released all over India and all over the world, Bhool Bhulaiyaa. So I was thinking, how about creating a ghost kind of application that on executing of which, a ghost kind of environment. So my motto in this particular video is that we will be executing a particular Visual Basic script, and on running that stream, nothing will be showing. But after a certain period of time, some applications will start up. So what I need to do is that I need to open up first notepad, and I need to let me first write the code, and then I will be explaining what that particular code means. So we'll be setting w shell as the, we'll be naming the variable as w shell. So that's the variable, and we will be creating an object. So let me first write the code, and then I'll be explaining what we are creating, what object is it. So w script dot shell. Okay, fine. So we have this particular application. So we have this cell. This cell provides some methods to run external programs and handle environment variables without a window script environment. So that's the particular thing of this particular shell, what it does. So we are creating an object of this particular shell. It will be executing some environmental variables, and within the Windows script host environment. So we are creating an object. Now we'll be assigning it to a variable. So so we will be saying that wsh shell, and we'll be setting as, we will be running it. And what it will run, it will run a batch file. So the batch file will be in this location, control C, and I'll be naming it as ghost. So control V, ghost, ghost dot bat file, and we'll be setting the values, the parameters as 0, and then false. Then then again comes the question that what is this 0 and this particular. So 0 means that when these batch files run, there will be no visible console window, and this particular false parameter determines that it tells the computer that stop, allow the script to continue, until the batch scripting has been false. That is, the script should wait until the batch file finishes its execution. This script will continue until the batch file, whatever is written in the batch file, its execution has not completely has been processed. So 0 means, as I've already told, that 0 means you don't show the console window. So if we run a batch file, there will be a console window. So that console window won't be shown, and we are creating this particular this W shell, and it will be running applications. So let me save the file and maybe name it such as inside Pomia, maybe Bhool Bhulaiyaa. Maybe there will be a spelling mistake, might be VBS. This will be a Visual Basic script file. Then select all file and save. So we'll be pressing Ctrl N, and then we'll be writing @echo of. This particular line means that whatever whatever lines are getting executed, or whatever the scripts are getting executed, don't show those lines on the console. Echo of those lines, turn it off, and we'll be giving a timeout. So this timeout has to be given in seconds, so maybe 30 seconds maybe. And if you can change the timer if you need maybe 30 minutes. So that means the 30 into 30 means that is calculated 900, maybe 3 3s are 9, yeah, 900. That means 30 minutes. So you have to give this timer in second. So, and what it will do is that it will start an application. So start WinWord, and apart from that, maybe start our PNG as well. Let me save this file inside the same location as we have already specified in that particular Visual Basic file, and we'll be naming it as maybe not maybe I named it as ghost.bat. Before running the script, I'll be checking whether I had given it a ghost or ghosts, whatever it is. So I named this file as ghost.bat. Fine. Let's open this particular edit, and let's recheck before running the file. Yeah, it's ghost.bat. Fine. Now let's run the program, this particular bhoolbhulaiyaa.vbs. Yeah, now let's wait for 30 seconds. Let's wait for 30 seconds. 29. Let's see what happens. So I didn't count that when the this particular counter started off for, I mean when this initially this counter started off. Anyways, so let's wait for, yeah, PowerPoint has started up, and apart from that, yeah, what has also started up. So that's all particular for this Bhutia program, this ghost kind of program. If you execute this particular program, so it will happen is that whatever you will be writing in this particular batch file, this particular, where is the batch file, it is named ghost. So here ghost. So let me open this file one more last time before ending the video session. So whatever you will be starting the applications, those applications will be turning, I mean after this particular timeout, this particular interval of time, this particular application will be turning on. So what you need to do is that you need to make this uh, just sit beside your friend, execute this particular script, this script what I have written in here, and wait for some time, whatever timer you have given in that particular timer, and some applications will be popping at you, and you can say that this is a mystery of Bhool Bhulaiyaa, this is a ghost kind of application. So that's all for this video session. If you like it, there are more videos on bash scripting and command prompt coming up. Hopefully I'll be making at later point of time, but this is the first one. So since Bhool Bhulaiyaa is our on the way, I mean it has already been released, so I thought of making this video at first of my command prompt video over the videos which I'm going to make over DOS. That's all for this video session. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.